Hello dear students, I am M.R. Patil from the R.C. Patel Polytechnic Shirpur, Department of Applied Science. Today we are going to discuss about the topic catalysis. So here is the contents. Introduction, catalyst, catalysis, types of catalysis, homogeneous, heterogeneous, positive catalysis, negative catalyst and autocatalyst. So let us we see the introduction of catalysis. The concept of catalysis was introduced by J.J. Berzelius in 1835. In chemical reaction, the role of catalyst is very important. So, catalyst is defined as the substance which alter the rate of chemical reaction without taking part in a chemical reaction is called as the catalyst. Means catalyst is the substance which change the rate of chemical reactions, means increase or decrease the rate of reactions but do not take part in a chemical reaction is known as the catalyst. Catalysis. The process of changing the rate of chemical reaction by use of catalyst is known as the catalysis. Means in chemical reaction, when catalyst is added to the reactant, then the rate of reaction is changed, that is increase or decrease. This whole process is known as the catalysis. Then types of catalysis. Two important types of catalysis are homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis. First is the homogeneous catalysis. If the catalyst is present in the same phase as the reactants, it is called as the homogeneous catalyst, and this type of catalysis is called as the homogeneous catalysis. Example, SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives the sulfur trioxide in gaseous phase. In this reaction, reactants like SO2 and sulfur dioxides and O2 both are in a gaseous state, and nitrous oxide NO, which is the catalyst and present in a gaseous state. Means in this reaction, catalyst and reactant both are in a same state, hence it is known as the homogeneous catalysis. Second example is the ethyl acetate plus H2O, which are present in a liquid state, and catalyst is the H plus, which is also present in aqueous or a liquid state, from which acetic acid and ethanol produce. In these reactions, both catalyst and reactant are present in a same state, hence it is the homogeneous catalysis. Third example is the sucrose plus H2O, that is C12H22O11 plus H2O, both are in a liquid state, and catalyst H plus, which is also in a liquid state, from which glucose and fructose is formed. So it is the homogeneous catalysis. Second is the heterogeneous catalysis. The catalytic process in which the reactant and catalyst are in a different phase is known as the heterogeneous catalysis. Example of this catalysis is sulfur dioxide plus O2 gives the sulfur trioxide. In this reaction, platinum is the catalyst which are present in a solid state. This reaction contain reactants are in a gaseous and catalyst is present in a solid state, means both are in a different state, hence it is the heterogeneous catalysis. Similar example is the formation of ammonia gas. N2 and H2 reactants are in a gaseous state, and Fe, that is catalyst, is in a solid state, hence it is the heterogeneous catalysis. Third is the positive catalysis. In positive catalysis, when the rate of reaction is accelerated by the foreign substance, it is said to be the positive catalyst and phenomenon as the positive catalysis. Example of this catalysis is in decomposition of potassium chlorate, MnO2 is the catalyst which is in a solid state. The MnO2 catalyst which help for the increase the rate of reaction, hence it is called as the positive catalysis. Fourth is a negative catalysis. Negative catalysis means there are the certain substance which when added to the reaction mixture retard the reaction rate instead of the increase it. These are called as the negative catalyst or a inhibitor, and the phenomenon is known as the negative catalysis. Example of negative catalysis are when benzaldehyde C6H5CHO and O2 gives the C6H5COH in liquid state, means when a diphenylamine is the reactant added to this reaction, then the rate of reaction is decreased. Hence it is known as the negative catalysis. Next type is the autocatalysis. In autocatalysis, the certain reaction, one of the product acts as a catalyst. In the initial stage, reaction is slow, but as soon as the product come into existence, the reaction rate increase. This type of phenomenon is known as the autocatalysis. An example of this, hydrolysis of an ester. So in this way, we have seen the topic catalysis and types of catalysis. Thank you friends.